Hi, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Unfortunately, again, we cannot meet this Tuesday due to the fact that the 11th graders and some of the 12th graders are coming back to the yeshiva. So I'm on my way actually to the yeshiva, going there tomorrow. This is the reason I cannot be with you at the same time simultaneously. What I'm going to do now is to record myself telling you your tasks. Okay, unfortunately, I was trying to make to play together with you and to do something nice, a nice closure for the road not taken. I'm going to make a short, very short closure here by myself, and I'm going to give you some instructions. So before I'm going to start, I'm going to read it out loud. It's actually our Moodle website is up to date, and I'll let you know exactly what you have to do. Okay. So 10th grade, 5 pointers. May 3rd to May 7th. Dear students, it has been a little while since we last met, actually 2 weeks, which is very unfortunate because we don't manage to make real progress in our learning. On the other hand, we've completed another literary piece, unit, and that is an impressive thing to achieve these days in the distance learning era and the corona time. So it's actually a good thing that we managed to do. We will have a discussion on the poem, which unfortunately I'm going to just tell you a few things about it, and we will talk about its deep meaning. Your tasks for this week will be 1. Module E, reading comprehension and listening comprehension. Okay, reading comprehension is the text answered in text. Okay, and in the questions. 70%, 30% is listening comprehension. What you have to keep in mind is that the Module E practice is part of your grade, okay? And it's on Google Forms. I'll upload it later on, okay? I'll let you know, but what you have to do is to complete it until a certain time that I'll let you know in advance, okay? So it's on Google Forms, and what you have to keep in mind is that you cannot start, go away, and do it again, okay, from the same from wherever you left it. It does not save things automatically, and what I would recommend you to do is to start and finish it at the same time. It shouldn't take you so long. It should be up to 40 minutes or so. Even to some of you, it's going to be a piece of cake and it gets like 35 minutes. The listening task, you should listen to it no more than twice, okay? Some of you probably wouldn't even need that. So this is the first task. Second thing, complete the entire unit for the poem, okay, the road not taken. Those who didn't do it yet, okay, because it was your homework, points will be deducted for late submission. So it is still open, you can still submit it, but apparently those of you did not send it yet or upload it yet, points will be deducted. 3. Vocabulary from Module E for a vocabulary quiz. Okay, so here you have, useful words for Module E. You're going to have, there is a list of words, okay, that I took from Module E, your practice, and you'll be tested on them on a vocabulary quiz, which is also going to be on Google Forms. This is going to be next time we meet, okay? And number 4, a text from Take a Stand, create an online quiz, due by Friday at 4 o'clock. Okay, so you can already start working on this one. What do you have to do? We will also talk on the end of the year project. Instead of a test, we decided to give you an end of the year project, okay, and not a test. So it's going to be on the literary unit, on the poem, on the road not taken. And I'll talk about it next time or in 2 more weeks, we will see. So basically, what you have to do here is seeing the numbers, create an online quiz. If I'm going to open this task, you're going to see, first of all, you have a link. Okay, I'll let you know what you have to do. There is a text actually on Take a Stand on page 64, if I'm not mistaken, that you have to read it very carefully. And what you have to do is to create an online quiz. It says when you open up the task, it gives you all the instructions. You have to write 7 to 10 questions, if I'm not mistaken. It could be Google Forms. It could be any other creative way. Okay, you can send the link or Microsoft Word document or Docs or whatever comes up to your mind. Try to be creative as possible. Okay. How can you see the book if you don't have it with you, physically with you? You can see a short, actually an online version of it, okay? If you just go on Google, Kotar Sifrei Limud, okay, here it is. Kotar Sifrei Limud. Everything is open now due to the coronavirus. So Kotar Sifrei Limud. You go here, you don't need a username, you don't need a password, English. Then you click here on the search, okay, and then take a stand. Then you search and you're gonna find it very easily. So we are going to use the book. The text is going to be, if I remember correctly, on page 64, but I'm not quite opposite. This is it. Let's try to find it. 64. And here it is, seeing the numbers. Okay, if you need hakra or anything, you have it here. Seeing the numbers. So this is the text. What you have to do is to read it. It's actually interesting and nice. What I want you to do is to create an online quiz for this text. Okay, the answers should be clear. It should be, the questions should be, there is a checklist when you open up the task itself. There is a checklist that I've uploaded. Okay, and so I think it is very clear. If you have any more questions, you're more than welcome to contact me, send me a private message or call me, text me, whatever you want. Again, Module E, the link, I'm going to send it to you tomorrow, okay, on Tuesday. Tomorrow is Tuesday, actually. Today is Monday. We're recording this on Monday evening, so just let you know everything by tomorrow. And you're going to have a certain amount of time, a specific amount of time, let's say about like 1 day or so to complete Module E. Remember, try to remember, keep in mind that creating a quiz for this text, okay, an online quiz, is due by Friday at 4 o'clock. If you're going to be late, I will not be able to accept it, okay? Guys, a few things about the road not taken. It's my favorite poem, not because it's a beautiful poetry and piece of art, because of its message. It has a very important message. Anything we decide in our life, any decision making that we take, it could be the tiniest thing, but the most powerful and meaningful thing that we do. We have to understand, to evaluate, to understand that everything in life matters, okay? And taking one road and not the other, it shows exactly who we are as human beings, okay? Why did I go to Tamar, to Yeshivat Tamar, and not to Yeshivat Chispin? It says something about me, okay? Yeshivat Tamar specifies on like something very, specializes, sorry, on one particular thing, which is the technological issue. So you have to keep in mind how important it is, and any tiny thing that you do matters. You have to think more than once before you make a life-changing decision, and you pick and hope that you pick the right one. You have to feel complete about what you do, to feel happy about it. You shouldn't regret, okay? You shouldn't hesitate so much, or you should. If you stand a long while and you think about it, that means that this is very serious and heavy, which is great. But I think all of us we cannot be all the time anywhere, okay? So keep that in mind and be happy with your choices. Guys, I'm going to talk about it whenever we have a regular lesson. It actually makes me upset on the one hand. On the other hand, I'm totally sure that for you it's much easier and makes your life a bit nicer. But it's annoying. So just a reminder, a few tasks. You have the vocabulary list for Module E. Okay, this is going to be, you're going to be tested on that, on these words. You have Module E to complete, and I'll send you here and on WhatsApp the link to the Google Forms. And you have an online quiz, okay? Those of you who are not done with the unit, please make sure to complete it and upload it, okay? This is your part of your alternative assessment, so please make sure to have it. Those of you who have some free time these days, make sure to complete some book reports, sit and write book reports, okay? I'm here for anything you need. See you later, and please don't hesitate to contact me. Bye for now.